it's JoJo. Today I want to show you how to use meviy's features. I want to do some tolerance setting today. First, I'll log in with my free MISUMI account. After logging in, drag and drop the model here. Okay, it's uploaded. Great, meviy is ready to start. Click Next, this blue button. Okay, it's ready for setting. First, let's choose the material and surface treatment. Let's set this model's material as 5052 aluminium alloy and the surface treatment as clear anodize. Next, let's start introducing tolerance instructions for today's theme. First, let's set the accuracy hole. Double-click on the hole. A pop-up window appeared. Let's set the hole diameter tolerance to fit tolerance and the effective depth to full length. Okay, and click Update. Okay, so now let's move on to dimensional tolerances. Double-click on the dimension line. The instruction screen came up again. Let's set this to a tolerance of plus or minus 0.1 on both sides. Done, and update. You can use the Add Tolerance button at the top of the screen to add tolerances for hole locations, etc. Let's try to give a tolerance indication of the location for the hole. Select 2 points, the edge of the component and the hole. Oh, I see the dimension line. Click one more time anywhere to set the dimension line. The pop-up screen appeared. Let's also set this tolerance to plus or minus 0.1 on both sides. And update. Now let's finalize the quotation. Click on the Confirm the Quotation Conditions button. Oh, I can get the price and the delivery date right away even after adding the tolerances. Even if you are giving tolerance instructions, you can get a quote on the spot using only 3D data. Let me submit my order. I can't wait for my part to arrive. This is the part that I ordered. Beautiful workmanship. Let's test out the accuracy by assembling it with this. Perfect fit. It's spinning. Meviy can be used to order parts that require so much precision without 2D drawings, but with only 3D data. There's been so much progress on the digitization of the manufacturing industry using AI. This meviy that I have introduced to you today should certainly make your design work more efficient. Please try MISUMI's meviy, which is free to use. See you next time!